Honorable Minister for Industries, Sugars, Commerce and Export Promotion, Dr. Geeta Reddy Garu. Honorable Minister for Information Technology and Communications, Ponna Lakshmi Garu. My colleagues, Rajat and Sanjay, friends from the industry and the media. It's indeed a momentous occasion for us, that is the industries department, along with the IT department, that I think this is the first time we are launching, as Sanjay had mentioned, government to a business portal. The Me Seva has always been dealing with government to public, and this is the first time that we are doing a government to business transaction through the Me Seva portal. The general impression when we talk about, say, the industries department is the usual, large industries. Are we getting some big plant, the mega projects, automobile plants, and all kinds of big industry pictures come into our minds. But we in the department are actually committed equally to make sure that our small-scale industry, the smaller units that are operating within our state, also get the same kind of assistance, the same kind of importance within our department to make sure that they flourish. Because we know that the heart and blood of the industry sector is the small-scale sector, and we like to keep encouraging them. And this is the sector which is the one which utilizes our incentive structure the most. And you know that about 8 incentives are given, and this is the sector that really takes care, accesses the incentives. And it's critical for them. As Commissioner Rajat mentioned that the working capital, the bank loans, all of them are kind of, including the viability of the unit, are indirectly linked up to the timely release of incentives. And that is where I think this G2B initiative that we have taken up will really come to the assistance of the small-scale industries. The built-in advantage of a Me Seva kind of a concept is the service level, assurance that we give them, that a service will be delivered in a particular time frame. It's automatically registered, the date is registered, and within that time frame, it will be done. Many of our media friends and industry friends are also aware that in the APIIC, to take care of the land allotments, we also had the Citizens Charter, which gave the time frames. So that is actually another indirect benefit of the system, that a kind of self-monitoring and a Citizens Charter kind of an activity gets built into the entire operations of the incentives indirectly, because we are going through the Me Seva system. And I think this was achieved in a record time of about less than 2 months. And as Rajat mentioned, our minister's always been pushing us to get better and better, make sure that the delivery of services which the government renders to our customers, it's not the favor that you are doing to us, we are doing to you. It is something which you are doing to us, and we'd like to help you. And we've been getting pushed constantly. And I think it's a good thing that we get pushed by our ministers so that we actually achieve service delivery levels that the public actually expects from us. I'd like to specifically congratulate Rajat and Sanjay, my colleagues, who worked on this and delivered this in about a month's time. The proof of the pudding is in the eating, and I'm sure that in the next 1 month we'll see the results of it. Thank you very much.